So, I don't know if those gunshots are going to be picked up. They probably are. At least on one of the mics. Okay. Craig's Beach. Here we come. Let me make sure I locked. I think I did. I get so paranoid about that. Yeah, I locked it. Okay. Gunshots are going off somewhere up there. Not too worried about it. We are in very rural California where people have a lot of land. And we're out in the middle of nowhere. So, not an uncommon thing to hear. Holy shit, it's gorgeous right now. I've never actually taken any of the South Fork trails down. This is my first time doing this. The Smith River, one of the cleanest rivers in the world, one of the top 3 cleanest rivers in the world. I need to get back on the river. I miss it. Nowadays, they don't just let you play in rivers anymore. You gotta have a life vest. This beach is actually kept in pretty decent condition. From what I recall, the South Fork is the more advanced portion of the Smith River. It's got a lot more higher level rapids. Now the camera doesn't even do it justice with how beautiful the water is. It is pristine. Pristine aquamarine. I'm not going to be spending a lot of time hiking around here because I have other things I need to do today. Definitely going to have to plan a more dedicated trip for this. You can see that like a month ago, the water levels were a lot higher. See how the grass is laid down in this direction. The water level's gone all the way up to here. That would have been amazing to see. That was back when we got flooded out too. Well, not quite flooded out. I mean, possibly when we got flooded out as well. We got flooded out back in December at our campsite. And then we nearly got flooded out again where we lived, or where we're living. I was tempted to come down here wearing my sandals, mainly just to feel the water on my feet, because I really wanted to feel the nice clean Smith River waters on my feet. But it is getting a little cold. It is cold. It's 40 degrees out, 40 degrees Fahrenheit, which isn't really cold for me. But when it's constantly wet like this, it's raining constantly, and it's that temperature. I mean, it was just in the mid 30s a few hours ago. My feet are it's gonna get harder for my feet to feel. I'm gonna slip and stumble on rocks and stuff, and possibly sprain an ankle or something, or bust a toe, and that's gonna cause me a lot of trouble because I'm here by myself. My truck is up there, so I don't really want to fuck around. So I decided to just say screw it and put on my shoes and socks. This has been recently torn up from the ground when all the floodwaters came through. I'm going to go back up and take a picture from up above, but I'll mic some of the river here. I need to get back on the river one of these days soon here. Do some kayaking, hard shell kayaking. I've never really done that. Seems like a lot of fun. It seems like a good workout. I think I've got to do a lot more prep work, core strength building for my lower back to support it properly before I do that, though, because I've had a lot of problems with the lumbar sacrum area and the L4, L5, and L5S1 discs. They've been in bad shape. Let's listen to this for a while. My gear is getting rained on. I need like a baggie to cover the H4 Essential because it is getting wet. Let's just hike back up here real quick. Usually I try to play it pretty safe with my hiking when I do it alone, especially after all the spine problems I've had. I don't really want to fuck around and find out, you know? Look at all that collected flotsam from all the trees and branches that got torn away and collected over here. It must have been amazing to see when the water level got really high. We had two major periods of that. We had it in mid-December, and then we had it in late January, early February. Turn this real quick. Gotta be careful with my footing here. What I should do is I should just bring the tripod with the mic and then I could just set the damn thing down. That's what I should have done. Alright. Let's go. Yeah, I'm screwing the tripod onto the bottom of the handle. That'll make life so much simpler. Holy crap! So much simpler.